When we are installing Christmas lights, we always leave the lights on. No matter what we do, we always leave the lights on, because if we don't, the only time we turn the lights off is when we go to cut them. But once we cut it, we go right back on. Because see, you can see we did this house here, and we did all the way up, and then we got one out right up there. So now we got to go climb up here, and on a 12-12, at the very peak, they're always at the peak. They're never in the easy spot where you've got the ladder. You got to go back up there and turn that light back on. So this is why we always have the peak bulbs. We always leave the lights on. Unless we're cutting, the lights stay on, so then that way we always have them. I will say, and as we cycle these lights, sometimes they will not come on and off all the time. So that's another reason why it's good to cycle these lights, to make sure that these lights are going to be good. Because you can see, again, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th bulb in. You can see that the bulb is not working. So this is the importance of why we turn all the lights on and we work with the power on. That's why we do this, so we don't have to go back up later and do that. And so this is another reason at the end of the job, we always want to count every bulb. And the reason why we're counting every bulb is that way I'm having to look at every bulb as I come across there to make sure that I'm not just counting the bulb, but I'm making sure that it is powered. Because the last thing you want to do is you're an hour away from home and you get a call back saying, it looks great, but that one bulb up there is the bulb that is not working, and so that's why we want to do that for. So just make sure that you're counting the bulbs and running with the power on at all times.